I just made this ginger beer with the ginger puck that I made in the entire ginger espresso video. But I was wondering, well, since I have this ginger beer in here, so why don't you use this ginger beer to make another experiment? Maybe carrot ginger beer.
Ah, shit! Here you go again.
So let's go. Maybe more carrots. Some filtered water. Now. Very orangey. All right then, let's taste. Oh, that changed a lot. Most of the carrots is down here. Okay, let's taste. I don't know if that still looks like ginger beer, but it's kind of sizzling, but not so much. It didn't sizzle so much, so not super cool that. So let's see. But the taste is very sizzling. Yeah, it remembers ginger beer and almost nothing about carrots. But I'm basically eating carrot in here in liquid form, and it's good for healthy, so that's a good thing. I enjoy this one. Should you do a carrot ginger beer? Well, my answer is yes!
Are you sure about that?